Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use Atome Card in Foodpanda. So step number one is to go to their website or to their application. Then from here, you just have to log in to your account. And then once you're here, you just have to choose the food that you want to order. So once you have added your order on your card, you will have to tap on this review payment and address. So click on that one, and then you will be redirected to this page. So from here, you just have to scroll all the way down, and then you will see the payment method here. And then you just have to tap on the credit or debit card. And then once you tap on that, you will be prompted to put the details of your Mastercard or the card that you're going to use. So you have to click Mastercard since the Atome is a Mastercard. And then you just have to wait for the OTP to confirm the transaction and approve the transaction. And then once you're done, then it will be paid on your Foodpanda. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!